tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois until 4 p.m. At 3:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing tornadoes and extremely damaging wind gusts were located along a line extending from St. Charles to North Aurora to near Oswego, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, until 4 p.m.
So many TORs, oh my god.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois.
Some stations aren't toning yet.
Windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Bartlett, West Chicago, Warrenville, Wayne, and DuPage Airport around 3:30 p.m.
Oh my god.
Naperville, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, Lisle, Bloomingdale, and Winfield around 3:35 p.m. Wheaton, Downers Grove, Romeoville, Addison, Glendale Heights, Woodridge, Glen Ellen, Lockport, Roselle, and Crest Hill around 3:40 p.m. Bolingbrook, Elmhurst, Lombard, Elk Grove Village, Palmer Glen, Hinsdale, Lamont. 3:35 p.m. Glendale Heights. Other locations impacted by these tornadic storms include Medina, Preston Heights, Crystal Lawns, Oak Rock Terrace, York Center, Fairmont, Rockdale, and Berkeley. This includes Cargill National Laboratory,
tornado warning west of Chicago.
St. Francis, Benedictine University, College of DuPage, DuPage County Fairgrounds, Joliet Junior College, Joliet Slammers Baseball, Lewis University, Morton Arboretum, Wheaton College, and North Central College. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 200,